Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Jai Shri Ram, Om Shri Matre Namaha. I am sitting right in front of the Sri Vishnu Sahasranamavali painting. This is right now coming to a close. We are nearing the finish line finally after almost 1 year of work on this. 1 year doesn't mean that I have been working only on this. There has been many other paintings and many other projects that were going simultaneously. But in terms of this project, about 134 hours of work on the physical painting itself has gone in, and typically I spend about 3 to 4 hours on the research work, which is for 10 the vlogs that I make usually has 10 names and their meanings and the tangential perspective. So if typically I try to do 5 to 6 vlogs covered in a batch, and it takes about 3 to 4 hours of me doing the research, and then again 3 to 4 hours of recording the same. So that also happens, and of course there is editing of the videos, which is done by Sri Vidya. She typically takes an hour for each video, and depends sometimes if it is complicated, there are a few other things to be included, any adjustments to be done, then she takes a little more than an hour or so. It goes on up to 2 hours for her also. So overall, yeah, we haven't done the clear calculation as such, but in the beginning I think we guesstimated about 500-600 hours of work, which is exactly what is going on right now. Although the painting will be completed, the vlogs will continue. So whatever we have recorded is still going to be released at different points in time, and we will still continue releasing the weekly vlogs because we are tied up with other activities. It's manageable for us to do only one release a week, and that's something we will continue to do. In terms of the painting, like I mentioned, it's I'm guessing 5 hours of work to be done. What I am working on right now is the clothing detailing and the jewelry detailing. Most of it is done. There is inconsistencies though, which I'm trying to cover. And Lakshmi Devi's sari, I feel needs a little more of what do you call the shine and detailing. I would want to work on that. Garlands again. So everything about the accessories seems partly complete. Few things are missing here and there. So all these missing elements and Brahmaji's details also are to be worked on. So yeah, overall I'm guessing 5 hours more of work, and including writing my name. Once that is done, I will definitely take high resolution images and start sending it out to my gurus and a few people who are very well aware of these requirements of each painting, and take feedbacks from them. There might be corrections coming in, so I will work on the corrections. I think it's typically the same that I did for the Sitaramam painting as well. You might have watched that the correction went on for about a couple of weeks, maybe not in number of hours, but yeah, it might go on depending upon the feedback that is coming. So, but at the same time, I will also be testing the high resolution images. In this particular case, it's very important for me to test how the prints look like when with the reading of ability to read the content here, the Sri Vishnu Sahasranamavali as such. That's something I will be able to test. One thing I can guess at this point is that regarding the other paintings, you might have seen that I am releasing 2 to 3 size options. There is a small A5 option, there is a A4 option, and A3 and such, which I don't think will work for this. So it has to be a A2 or A3, I don't know. It has to be only one. I have to test and see how that goes. So maybe the number of options will be less, because it doesn't make sense if we have a minute picture of it. I don't think people will be able to read or such. I don't know. So that's also something I'm thinking of. But yeah, in case the clarity is missing, I might have to do a little bit of rework in some of the writings. So that's also something I am guesstimating. And once everything is fine, then we will be able to publish officially. And of course, together with that, and that's exactly why I was also waiting for the Hayagriva painting also to be launched. It's actually a duo, yeah, and I wanted both to be launched almost at the similar points in time. So I think it would make more sense around the time. So I think you can expect something to happen in the end of July, hopefully, but there will be developments. Whatever I'm doing, I will definitely try to share as updates. All along, there have been a lot of people writing to me through direct messages, also in the comments at times in the social media, supporting this effort. And whatever support you have been giving is definitely helping us to keep going and keep on trying with this experiment. This is I don't know. I don't know if I will repeat this kind of experiment again, but nothing would have been possible without the kind of support and encouragement we have been receiving, both for the painting, and also when Sri Vidya and I are trying to create the vlog format content and sharing. There are some of the followers who are regularly writing to us. So heartfelt gratitude to each one of you. Thank you very much. I think that is the update from my side today. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay motivated. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Jai Shri Ram, Om Shri Matre Namaha.